Great. We're going to do one more easy Tableau. So again, we're going to go to data.summitlearning.org, course grades. This is going to load. I already do have it loaded here. So when it loads and you log in, you'll get here. So this is something you could do at GLTs if you want to see how many courses, how many incomplete students have. So this is the number one step. And if you go to Summit Public Schools, then select all, and we want just TAM. This is also just interesting if you want to compare across other schools, but we just want to go to TAM. This helps you know an interesting breakdown of how many students have how many incompletes. So here we can see this is the percent of students with 4 incompletes, with 3 incompletes, with 2 incompletes, with 1 incomplete, which can be really helpful to figure out which bucket you maybe want to plan an intervention for. It also does tell you the number of students in that group. So this is something that can be helpful if you're saying we want to focus on the 1 incomplete bucket this week. Next week you can come and pull and see how that changed as a result of you focusing in on it. Also, this is helpful to see over time how the incompletes have changed. So for example, if you want to look at students with 4 incompletes, how have those students either improved or declined? So this shows you where we are today, what percent of students have 4 incompletes now versus before. So this is pretty interesting information to understand, especially if you're choosing a group of students. 1 incompletes, for example, you can see the trend for 1 incomplete. Hopefully this helps.